Hey guys, so today I will be sharing with you a little about the back office and what you expect to see when you join um, the affiliate mentor spark program. All right, so after you join, after you probably get a link from me, or you probably see one of my promotion on Facebook, or maybe here on YouTube, right? And you decide to join. This is what you will get in the back office. All right, so first of all, let me come here. You will be starting to the get start here, which going to show you, the steps. So basically, let me just play this video a little bit. Right, so basically it will give you a breakdown of what um, affiliate mentor spark is all about. It will give you a heads up of how to set yourself up for success. All right, so after you've done that, it will ask you either to upgrade or move on to the next step, right? And then it will give you different videos on different levels. So we have this the core and the VIP club as well. So it will ask you to do all this, right? But I don't want to go through all the steps. So after you join the system, the first thing I encourage you to do is get set up. All right. So after you click on get set up, the first thing you should do is plug in your get response autoresponder. All right. Now, if you don't have get response, it will show you in the video how to do that, right? And it will direct you with the steps how to organize yourself here. All right. After you finish, it will take you to the next step, which is your e-wallet. Same thing. It will direct you on how to get your e-wallet set up. All right. And after you've done that, it will take you to the third step, which is your Facebook, joining our Facebook page. All right. And trust me, inside there, let me just go inside there to show you. Right. As you can see, there are so many persons who are making money with us here. As you can see here, 40 spark cycle in 7 days. All right. Now, there are a lot of people who are making money here. The one that interests me for this week so far, right? Let me just move a little. This one here, all right? That person here, and this person just joined a few days ago, and so far he received $858, and in his current balance, it's 822. All right, but the beauty about here, right? We support each other. All right, everybody who give a comment, everyone who give a post, we comment on the page. All right, we left no one behind. So this is so amazing. All right, so let me just get back to track. So this is the three main things that you're supposed to do when you join affiliate mentor spark. All right, now after you finish this, the second thing I encourage you to do is to go to spark. All right, come to spark. Now your own will be empty when you come in. All right, but as you can see, this is my second cycle. I've cycled over already, and guess what, guys? I did not do any paid ads. I did not do any traffic, paid traffic. Everything came from Facebook. All right. Why? Because I was just following the AI training system just to see how long it will take me to be cycled over, so that if persons who join my team see difficult, I can tell them, listen, this I did it and it worked, so I know it can work. All right, you just have to follow the steps. All right, and as you can see here, I got my first cycle, and I'm here in my second cycle. So I'm missing 4 persons. Who knows? It can be one of you. All right. So how to get the training? You come after you click on Spark, you'll come over to Spark module, which I have it here. All right, so this is it here. No, this is all the training that you have inside here. The first module, second module, third module, fourth module. So every time you get cycled over, a module open. All right. So this one is the one that I actually listen to. There is four ways you can learn with this system. You can watch the video, you can watch the video. If you're not interested in watching the video, you can listen it. All you have to do is just click on listen now, right? Which is this here. Is the same, is the same thing, but they just have it in three ways, right? Now you have the flip book, all right? It will take a little while to load up. Right, so this is the flip book, right? So if you don't want to listen or you don't want to watch the video, you can always click on the flip book. It's taking a little long to load up, so let me just move on. All right, so here it is. You flip the book, as you can see, the details is still there. The only difference it is in written form. All right, now you can also do it download. Right? Is the same thing. This is the one that I've used to get all the information I need to promote this system on Facebook. All right. So as you can see, it gives you a breakdown first in many chapters, and then it take it from there. All right. So guys, this system is amazing. The training is good. There is no doubt about it because I've seen it in action and I'm getting results. So I know if you are a beginner and you're looking for something that can help you to make money online, this is the program for you. All right. One thing I want to share with you again, right? If you are already in a affiliate program and you're still looking for something that you can make a passive income with, but you don't want to give up the program that you're in, you can promote it in this system here. All right. So for example, this is when you come into the back office, right? You come to my business, and then you will see your profile, commission, payments, billing, e-wallet. Then you will see set custom offer, right? The video is here again, and that's the beauty about it. It will show you every step of the way what you need to do. All right. It will show you how to fill the how you can fill the information up here with your offer, so that when someone come in the back office, they will get your offer. So for example, this is my sponsor um, next program that she in. So it's there for me to see, right? So all I could do now is just click on it and listen it, right? This is what your members will see when they come into the back office. If you have another program and you set it up, this is what they will see. So I love that about this system. So now you have Spark, you have the Core, you have the VIP, and you have this here. All right. So guys, this is something real good. You may, I'm not sure if there's other persons who show you the back office like that, but I'm just happy that I can share the information with you. What you do with the information is all up to you. All right, but I pray that you're interested in what you see and you get started right away. So click the link in the description, watch the 8-minute video, and let's get started. All right, let's get you started. Now, one more thing I want to show you before I get out of here. As you can see, right, my commission, I earn $50 commission already. I have full Spark members. All right. So guys, oh, we have a contest as well, right? No, every day in the back office, there is something for you to do and you earn money. All right, you earn money doing it. As you can see, $25,000 is on grabs right now. Within it's a 90 days challenge, right? $10,000 in cash prize, $5,000 traffic, and monthly prices in July. So there's a lot of things that they are promoting inside the system, and you could be a part of it. All right, you could be a part of it. As you can see, I'm number 51. All right, so I'm trying to make my way up. I'm trying to make my way up. All right, guys. So if that's something that you're interested in, click the link in my description and watch the 8-minute video. My email will be there, my Facebook page will be there. Reach out to me if you have any questions, and I will definitely get back in contact with you, all right, and help you get started. On this note, I'll see you in the next video.